Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Vanguard error code 185 in League of Legends. So let's get straight into the guide, and the first thing we need to do is head over to the start menu, search for Task Manager, and then just click this. Come over to this search box at the top here and search for Riot, and we just need to close down all of these processes just by right clicking and selecting End Task, and do the same for these two over here. Once you've closed down the Riot client, we're going to do the same for League of Legends. Now I don't have League of Legends running currently on my computer, so if that's the case, then you'll also need to do the same for Vanguard. And once again, I don't have Vanguard currently running, so once you've shut down all of these processes, we can then close out of this window, and you'll need to head back over to the start menu, search for Settings, and head over to the Settings window. From the left hand side, come into Apps, come over to Installed Apps, and using this search feature, we're just going to search for Vanguard. Once you've located the Riot Vanguard application, select these three horizontal dots, click on Uninstall, and select Uninstall. If you get this confirmation message pop up, just go ahead and press yes. And then once we've uninstalled the Riot Vanguard application, what you need to do is close out of here, come over to the Riot client, log into your Riot Games account. Once you're inside of here, we need to select League of Legends from our games, and now we'll see this update button over here. So just go ahead and select update, which is going to reinstall the Vanguard application, and this is basically Riot's anti-cheat system. So without this installed on your computer, it won't let you run the game. Then once you've done that, you will need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. And once we've restarted our computer, the last thing you'll need to do is head over to the start menu, search for Services, and head over to the Services window. Inside of this list of services, we need to scroll down to a service called VGC. Double click on the VGC service, change the startup type to automatic if it's not already set to this. Make sure the service status is started, so just press the start button down here, and then lastly just press apply and OK. And once you've done that, we can then try launching up League of Legends, and that should have now fixed the Vanguard error code 185 message. If you still are experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.